Put a clothespin in your shower. You'll be surprised by the results. Most of us think of showers as routine. You turn the water on, rinse off, and maybe let the steam relax your muscles for a few minutes. But what if I told you that a tiny wooden clip, the kind you'd normally use on laundry day, could completely change the way you experience your shower? I know, it sounds kind of silly at first. A wooden clothespin in a bathroom filled with steam. But once you see what happens, you'll never look at that simple clip the same way again. Instead of clipping socks or holding snack bags closed, you are going to clip it somewhere unexpected, right onto the shower head. If the head is too thick, the edge of the shower curtain, or even a shower caddy or a wall-mounted rack works just as well. Here's the trick. Instead of leaving it bare, you soak it or just dab it with a few drops of essential oil. Since a wooden clothespin is porous, it soaks things up and holds them in. The oil seeps inside, waiting for the heat and steam to draw it out again. Picture walking into your bathroom after a long, draining day. You clip that scented clothespin right onto your shower head, or even the edge of your curtain. The water starts running, the room fills with steam, and slowly the air transforms. The scent floats and expands, mingling with every swirl of mist, until it wraps around you. Suddenly, your bathroom smells like a spa. How delightful! If you're congested, eucalyptus can open your airways and make each breath feel deeper. If you've been stressed, lavender fills the space with a calm that feels like a soft blanket around your mind. And on mornings when you can't seem to wake up, peppermint or even citrus oils hit you with a clean sharpness that feels more powerful than coffee. All of this from a little clip you'd normally overlook. The beauty of this trick is its simplicity. You don't need expensive diffusers, plugins, or candles that leaves soot behind. A clothespin acts like a natural diffuser, activated by nothing more than steam. And because the oils don't burn away quickly, the effect lingers. You step out of the shower and still catch gentle hints of the fragrance clinging to your skin and hair. Hours later, in the middle of work, that calming lavender or energizing citrus sneaks back into your senses like a reminder that you started the day right. What makes it even more fun is how personal it becomes. You can tailor every shower to your mood. Some days you want to unwind, others you need to gear up for challenges ahead. One little clothespin gives you that flexibility. Keep a few ready, one with lavender, another with peppermint, maybe a mix of lemon and eucalyptus for those mornings when your sinuses don't cooperate. Swap them out, and no two showers will ever feel the same. And here's a little secret. It's not just for you. Leave one in the shower when guests are over. Don't say a word. Let them discover it themselves. Most people step out wide-eyed, wondering why your bathroom feels so different, so luxurious. They expect to see some expensive gadget hidden somewhere, not a clothespin clipped onto the shower head. That's the charm. It's almost too simple to believe. And the best part? A few drops of oil can carry you through several showers. When the scent finally fades, you don't need to scrub or replace anything. Just refresh it with a couple of drops and let the wood do the rest. And because clothespins cost next to nothing, you can keep a basket of them handy without even thinking about it. Over time, this little trick does something bigger than just change the smell of your bathroom. It creates a ritual, a signal to your brain that stepping into the shower is more than washing your body. It's also giving yourself a moment of calm, energy, or clarity, depending on what you need. That ritual becomes addictive in the best way, because it reminds you to care for yourself in small, effortless moments. And that's the surprise. People expect a clothespin to do nothing more than hold up socks. But once you let it touch steam and oil, it reshapes the mood of your entire day. It lingers in the air, clings softly to you, and follows you out the door. It's a small, clever shift that turns something ordinary into something extraordinary. So next time you step into the shower, don't just grab a towel, grab a clothespin too. Let the steam work its magic, and see how quickly this forgotten little piece of wood becomes the most powerful part of your bathroom. Try it once, and you'll wonder why you ever settled for plain, boring showers before. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this little trick, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more simple ideas that make everyday life a whole lot better. See you in the next one.